you've ever taken your car to a mechanic workshop, you already know say that one a real gamble, 50-50, either it work or it no work. But don't let them chop your eye again, because I know say they go don chop your eye before. So I wan tell you 5 things wey you need to watch out for anytime when you carry your motor go give your mechanic make you help you fix, so that your motor e no go suffer. The first thing wey you need to watch out for na mechanic wey sabi turn small issue to full surgery. Yeah, make we take for instance now, you carry your motor go give your mechanic, say make you help you change only the oil wey dey for your motor. Na only oil you wan change o. You reach there finish na, mechanic begin check your tire, check your fuel pump, check your gearbox, check everything wey dey your motor. You say those things wey you mention, so say e get fault and you wan fix am. That mechanic, e fit be say e wan chop your money. Bros, for you to dey sure, carry that your motor go give another mechanic make you for dey sure. Another thing wey you need to watch out for na mechanics wey go collect money to take buy original parts take fix your motor, but at the end of the day, my brother, na fake parts dem go buy. For example, you go give your mechanic 50,000 naira make you help you go buy original parts take fix your motor, but the mechanic go end up go buy parts of 12,250. My brother, abeg, the remaining money wey e go, e don enter your pocket. O ti lọ. That mechanic, I will advise say you sit down with am make e fix your motor with the original parts wey im talk say im buy. Another thing wey I want make you watch out for na mechanics wey no know the particular issue wey dey your motor. You carry your motor go give your mechanic say make you help you check wetin dey do am. You go reach there finish, your mechanic go begin tell you say, oga, if like say we go change the plug first, if that one no work, we go change the gearbox. If that one not still good, oga, we go change the fuel injector. My brother, that one no be diagnosis again o. That mechanic na guesswork im dey do. Abeg, carry your motor go give mechanic wey get scanner and the other proper tools wey go take check your motor. Another thing wey you need to watch out for na mechanics wey be say dem go just leave your motor, scatter your motor, leave am anyhow, but dem no go finish the work wey dem suppose do. Some go even open your dashboard, open your boot, comot your tire, scatter tools for everywhere. Then dem go come disappear for 2 days. Hell, your motor go come just dey there like say you dey suffer. Hey, sorrow. My brother, abeg, if your mechanic disappear, no follow am disappear o. Once you drop key with your mechanic, abeg, stay with am, dey monitor am, tell am time wey you need your motor, so that you go get peace of mind. Shey you understand? Moise, come fix motor before this man come o. I don tell you my own. The last thing wey I want make you watch out for na mechanics wey be say dem go keep your motor for their mechanic workshop overnight without proper security. My brother, if dem thief radio, battery, tire or your working tools for inside your motor, remember say na you go still buy the things put for that your motor. Abeg, unless e dey very very necessary, no dey keep your motor with your mechanic overnight. And if you wan keep am overnight with your mechanic, abeg, make sure say the mechanic workshop say e get secure and safe parking space, make nothing for do your motor. Don't get it twisted. Mechanics are very helpful and very useful, but no let anybody turn your motor to experiment o. Bros, shine your eyes well well, ask questions and protect your car like your baby.